how to download and install Foxit PDF Reader on your Mac. So head straight to the official website, foxit.com. Then open the products menu here and you want the one that is free. So Foxit PDF Reader, this one over here, the orange one. Click download free. It should detect automatically that you are on the Mac. In case something's wrong, you can change this yourself. Then they will ask about installation package. You can keep this as default. Just click free download. We can now open the installer file. And we are done. We can move the installation file to the trash. And it's time to open Foxit. It's a brand new app, so we should be able to see it at the top of our app launcher. It will ask you that you want to use this as your default PDF reader, so all of your PDF files will open with this program. We can decide a bit later. I will click cancel for now. And here it is. Keep in mind that's the free edition, so we are kind of limit. Some features are behind the paywall. So that's more than enough for opening your PDF. So let's try it out. So here's sample PDF. We can zoom out a bit. We can see pages side by side as well. And it's opening perfectly fine. So that's how you can get this free PDF reader. Keep in mind, it's PDF reader, not PDF editor. So we can open up PDFs. We can use tools like highlighter. We can add a signature and do some very basic stuff, but this is not full-blown PDF editor at the end of the day. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.